Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you always looking for clever ways to add organization to your space? This adorable velvet storage ottoman is by Mxfurhawa, and I am so in love with it. First of all, I was drawn in by the yellow color. It happens to go really well with our space because we have yellow accents. It was so simple to put together. I appreciate the simple design with the little kind of A-frame structure. And I love the details of this ottoman. It's the perfect size for a footstool, and it just effortlessly opens up to little storage. It even has a divider in the middle so you can keep things nice and organized. It has a surprising amount of room. It's perfect for keeping remotes or coasters. You could keep maybe some small games in there. Whatever you need storage for, I think that this is such a nice hidden storage option. I'm obsessed with velvet, so of course I appreciate that that's the material. And I love that it has the little feet on the bottom. It's easy to slide across our hard floor. And every little detail of this ottoman you can tell is crafted so carefully. It is really fantastic quality, from the wood details to the stitching of the fabric. I just really appreciate how carefully made this is, and I'm really impressed with the overall quality of it. So I just think that this is such a great option. It's not only going to look really cute in your space, but it's also going to be functional. That added storage, it's the best of both worlds. I really love this ottoman stool with added organization. I think it is so adorable and so functional, and I think that you are going to be really happy with it too. But that's just my point of view.